Okay guys, so we're going to guide you through this workout so you don't have to memorize all the moves or watch the time. Please pause this video if you need more time to prepare. If you are ready, we will start in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1 and go! Toes touch is the first exercise. Remember guys, you can keep your knees slightly bended, but try to keep your lower back flat on the floor. Exhale every time you reach your toes. If you cannot reach your toes, that's fine. Just try to engage your core and move up. You're halfway through, 15 more seconds to go. Pace yourself, watch your breathing. You got 5 more seconds. Next one is crunches. Get ready. 2, 1 and change. No rest. With jump straight on crunches. Extend and squeeze your stomach. Exhale every time you go up, every time you squeeze your stomach. Good job guys. Control your breathing. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. You're halfway through. This is where your abdominals should start burning, and burning is good. You're nearly there. Get ready for cycling twist. 2, 1 and change. You're doing good guys. Don't forget to fully extend your leg and exhale every time you reach your knee to the elbow. Good job. You're halfway through guys. Don't forget that you can control your pace, and if you feel tired you can just simply slow the pace, but don't give up. Don't put your feet on the floor. You got 7 more seconds. Get ready for side crunches. We change in 3, 2, 1 and change. Side crunches right after that. Remember that one elbow is always on the floor, the other elbow is trying to reach to the alternate knee. Exhale every time you twist. Good job guys, you're doing really good. You're halfway through. Keep moving, keep breathing. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the open mouth. Get ready to hug your knees in 3, 2, 1 and change. Knee hugs. You're halfway through the round. Remember, you have to fully extend your body. Bring your arms up and extend your legs down, but try not to put them down on the floor. Good job. You're halfway through. You got 10 seconds more. Keep moving, keep breathing. Exhale every time you hug your knees. Next one is leg lifts. We change in 3, 2, 1 and change. Place your hands on the floor for better support and lift your legs up. No need to keep your legs straight, just try not to put them on the floor. Exhale every time you lift them up. You're halfway through, you got 15 more seconds. Good job guys, keep moving, keep breathing. You got 10 more seconds to go. After this we roll to the plank position in 3, 2, 1 and change. Next one is mountain climbers. Try to make this transition as fast as possible and start mountain climbing straight away. Remember guys, you have to bring your knee up to the elbow. If you cannot reach or you're struggling to reach your knee up to the elbow, that's fine. Just to keep the steady pace, keep breathing, keep moving. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the open mouth. We have one more exercise and it's a plank. Get ready in 3, 2, 1 and change. That's the last one guys. Just simply chill in a plank, engage your core, keep breathing, inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Try to squeeze everything starting from your neck and all the way down to your ankles. Just stay strong and solid. You can do it. You're nearly there. You got 6 more seconds. Stay strong. 3, 2, 1 and done. Gently put your knees down on the floor. Don't collapse. Well done. Good job guys. Now take 2 minutes break and repeat it one more time.